So hello everyone, in this video you basically joined me, as the title suggests, off on a cruise over to London, where I'm going to be joining up with some guys that I know and the Roadstr app team. So they're actually coming down, they've decided to come along, join us for this cruise. They're going to also be doing some filming and things like that. I think it's going to basically go towards an advert that they're going to do, which is going to be so cool. So I've near enough got my car done. This is a very rushed day. I'm gonna woke up super early to try and finish off installing the lights. Not been able to do that just yet, but well, it's kind of done, but not fully all wired up. Leave that as it is. Right now, en route, let's go. That awkward moment where everyone else is there apart from you. Whoops! Whoops. But that being said, I also am the person who came from further school. I came from Birmingham. Everyone else is near enough from around London, so I can't get too upset with me. So even though I'm the last to arrive, I've brought the rain with me. This is a nice spot. Quick interests are done now. We're all just quickly heading off for the drive, and oh, I had to start raining now. Damn, the 6 Series does look good. So the drive starts. Woo, can you hear everyone? It's already turned into chaos. Alright, first stop. Roadstr filming crew. All I'm gonna say is this drive is nuts so far, and I think it's an M140i behind me is quick. I'm pulling up to a petrol stop. I think it's just to regroup. Direction is an M135i, and oh my god, it is quick. It is wow. Well, I got a quick second. It's running 420 brake. Remap decat. It did have a white pipe before. This is a 6435 CI or I, whichever way you want to call it. It's got a nice bumper on it though. Waiting for the rest of the group to turn up because a lot of them have just basically fallen behind. Looks like we are all off again. I got a walkie-talkie now. Right, we got someone else's butt to look at, but it's another 6 Series. just say we got some proper rain. That sounds good. That sounds so good. Thanks BP for the toilet break and the rev off. Right, so we've all had a quick bite to eat and we're just going for a drive through London now, over to a couple of photo opportunities, and then I'm gonna shoot back home. I think this is gonna be the final fill up for today. I'm literally like haven't had to fill up this whole time, but damn, car looks sick. We have literally driven off the side of the road for good parking and photos. This is next level. I can't believe we're parking like this. Right, we have parked up some photos now, and oh my god, look at how amazing this spot is. Split our cars up. Okay, GTR, TR, okay. Oh wow, this is nice. This is real nice, yo. Quick photo stop with all the cars lined up real quick. Ooh, super fast.
How's it going?
Right. We are basically at the last photo spot for me. I'm gonna have to head back after this, but this is a cool spot, man. It's a shame the lighting kind of doesn't come out as clear as it should be. That's dedication. Nice way to end the evening. Quick drive past Harrods.